Hello everyone, my name is Smarika Gautam and I am pursuing B.Tech from Kanpur Institute of Technology in a stream of Computer Science and Engineering branch. I am placed in ACTM's and SDS software company. KIT has an effective way of training students when it comes to the corporate world, and I had the support of my faculty, my HOD, the management and even the placement cell during my preparation time. So I would like to say that my performance during the placement is only the result of the effort that KIT puts. I'm really feeling glad to be part of this institution who puts lots of efforts for their students and their career too. There are n number of activities that KIT conducts, such as the sports activities, technical activities and cultural activities. The record-breaking placements that happen every year gets better due to the technical training and the personality development program. I am feeling glad to say that I am a KITian.
Hello there, greetings to everyone, and to begin with, I hope you all are safe in your home due to this global pandemic. And myself, Jivitesh Vajpayee, and I am the final year student of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in KIT. And I have been placed with National Electric, which is a subsidiary of Schneider Electric and work in IEV segment. And I am very thankful to KIT who gives me this opportunity and platform where I could showcase my talent. So if you want to build up yourself and grooming up your skills, then KIT will be the better option for you. Here all the faculty members always support you in academic activities and practical activities too. So here you wanna explore yourself and whatever you want to do in educational area, then I would recommend it that it would be the better option. And my special thanks to director sir and the management team who always more focused on the effective study in every possible way and provide the feasible environment where all the students can grow invariably. So if you want to fundamentally grow and brushing up your skills, then it would be the better option for you to begin with. So thank you so much for hearing me.
Hi everyone, my name is Fuzail Khan from KIT Kanpur Institute of Technology of Computer Science and Engineering Department. I am very thankful to KIT because for providing campus placement in two reputed companies, Team Computers and Web-based Solution. Team Computer is basically working on latest emerging technology like cloud and data science and big data Hadoop. I express my heartfelt thanks to the training placement team Abhishek sir, Nureen ma'am and Hina ma'am for providing this opportunity and a very kind of friendly behavior towards the student. I also thankful to the FDC department for teaching us how to crack interview and aptitude test. And I am also very thankful to HOD and all my faculty members for developing and grooming my skills. At last, I must to say that I am very proud to be a part of the KIT family. Thank you.
Hi, greetings to all. My name is Aman and I am the BTech final year student of KIT College, which is in Kanpur. Currently, I am placed in one of the biggest MNCs of India, which is SCL Technologies Private Limited, with the help of my college, because KIT is provide me a platform where I can explore myself in a better way. So if you want to build up your skills, then KIT can be a great choice for you. Because in KIT we have a special training department which is very helpful in enhancing your skills and to bring out the best in you. So I am very grateful for all the KIT family for all the love and support they have given to me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Samir and I am a final year student from Mechanical Engineering KIT Kanpur. Currently I am placed with Outlook Publishing Private Limited and Optra Automation Private Limited, which is the North India's best industrial automation company. All thanks to KIT Kanpur who has provided me the opportunity and platform where I can showcase my talent and groom up my skills. So if you want to build up your skills in the most effective way, then KIT will be the greatest choice to you, where you will get the environment to build up your skill and enhance your knowledge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Verma. I am BTech final year student of Kanpur Institute of Technology, Ruma. Currently, I am placed with Nucleus Software Exports, a company which is the backbone of Indian banking sector. As an engineering aspirant, if you also dream to work for MNCs, then surely KIT is the choice for you. from dedicated staff to skill development cell and a very dedicated placement and corporation cell. KIT has it all for you to add wings to your fire and make you industry ready. So what are you waiting for? Apply now.
Hello, getting to everyone. My name is Satyam Mishra and I am final year student from Mechanical Engineering, KIT Kanpur. Currently, I am placed with Gokul Foods Private Limited. All thanks KIT, who provided me the opportunity and the platform where I can show my talent and groom up my skills. So, if you want to build up your skills in most effective way, then KIT can be great choice to you. Here, you will get the environment to build up your skills and to enhance knowledge. I am grateful to Chairman Shah, who had provided us a beautiful environment as it helped us to be more focused in whatever we are doing and in our goals. Thank you.